Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, backup camera, power steering, one owner, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.